Hey guys, this is an HP Photosmart Plus printer that I want to show you how to reset. This is the B210 model. You're going to find that model number right there. So in order to reset the printer, we're going to use these buttons that light up right here. Let me just show you. That's the back button. This is the home button. And then basically that's where they're at, but they're not lit up when we're doing that. So in order to get to the support menu where the resets are, we're going to press back button, home button, and then back twice. And then we're going to go to support menu and select resets, press OK, and then we're going to reset the semi-full reset is what we're going to do. We're going to press OK, and that resets the printer and it's going to turn off. And then I'm going to show you again how to do that. So after the printer turns off and it resets, then you're going to turn it back on and select your language, confirm it, and then where the printer is located. And this is just going to do a setup right now. Don't worry, on this printer it's not going to ask you for setup cartridges, so if you need to do a reset, it's pretty straightforward. It's just going to ask you to load paper, and it's just going to do an alignment page. So go ahead and do that, and in just a second I'll show you how to get to the menu again. Okay, so once more, it's back, home, back, back. You go to support menu, scroll down to resets. Sorry, scroll to the right. And that's where you reset the printer. UX to go back. Go to support menu. If you need to find out your page count, for example. Sorry. You go to information, model number, serial number, and then counters. It shows you how many pages were printed on the printer. It's 2,245 so far. So this printer can last for at least 10,000 pages easy. So thank you guys for watching. Please like this video if it was helpful for you. Subscribe to our channel and have a wonderful day. Thank you.